Hi, my name is Corin. I work with Impact Networking. I'm an in-house service technician. Today I'm going to show you some image quality issues that might happen with your machine. When you're printing or copying and you get a black line on your print, what you're going to do is open up your machine, grab this white handle right here, and if you just move it back and forth, you're going to clean what's called the charge wire and remove any debris that might be on there. That way when you make your next print, you can close this and you won't have that black line anymore. Another common issue though is a void image. This is an example that has a large void. Sometimes you might get just a white line. And that is because your laser slit glass is going to be blocked as well. And in order to clean that, you have to remove your waste toner cartridge. You grab this wand right here, and there's going to be a small opening right here. You'll insert that and move that back and forth, and that will clean the surface of the glass off. That way you can remove any debris that's on there. Once you've cleaned your laser slit glass, you can reinsert your waste toner box, close this door, you'll make a test print, and hopefully you'll have a high quality image just like this.